Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Give me 1 minute. Okay, how about the practice yesterday? Did we do practice?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so yesterday we were left with 3 exercises, right? So I'll explain them. Why I kept those on hold, because if you'll not practice, you'll not understand those practices. That's what I asked you to practice on those, whatever we discussed yesterday, on those formula. Okay. So first exercise is this one. Let me show you. So example, how many words we have, like test, comma, macros, comma, values, comma, windows. 1, 2, 3,
11.
5, 6.
It's okay.
6, right? 6 words. Test is 1 word. Macros, values, windows, Excel, Microsoft. If I remove this Microsoft, see 6 words are there. If I remove this Microsoft, how many left?
5.
If I remove this Excel, how many left?
4.
4.
4. Let me apply Control Z, Control Z. Okay, again 6. Now, how it's working is it is calculating the words. Okay, after comma, right? If you have some 100 names, and if you want to segregate those 100 names with comma, how many comma you will apply?
Sorry, how many?
How many commas you will apply?
99 commas, sir.
99.
99 comma. Yeah, excellent. Yes. So the same thing here. Segregation with commas. If I take a length of this text, what formula I'll apply?
LEN.
Alien.
Sorry,
Alien
Alien formula.
length.
LEN length formula. Okay, length of this. Result is 41. Now you tell me, I want to remove comma with nothing. Which function I will use? I do not want this comma. I will remove this comma with nothing that I want to apply. Which function I'll apply?
Replace.
Replace or substitute, right?
Substitute.
Substitute text is
Comma.
text is this. This is
Okay.
text one, right?
Yeah.
Comma. All the text is what? Comma,
Comma.
right?
Oh.
New text is what?
Space. Space or nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Double quote, double quote. Parenthesis close. Now this is the text without
Commas.
commas. Okay. Now let me check length of this text without comma.
36.
36. And length of this with comma, right? This is the length with comma, this is the length without comma. Now what I will do is, I will say length with comma minus length without comma. 1 minute. Length with comma minus length without comma. Plus 1. Why plus 1? 4 comma, right? Now 6. You see now 6, 5, 4. If I remove this Microsoft, it will be 5. If I remove this now, remaining is 5. If I remove this Excel, remaining is 4. Control Z, Control Z. This is nothing but len with comma, len without comma. So this minus this 41 minus 36, how much?
5.
5. 5 plus 1.
6.
Why plus 1?
After comma, we have a value.
That's what we are providing, plus 1 also. For comma, we are using plus 1. This is the one. Second one is this exercise. I want to know the invoice number. Invoice number, nothing but in this invoice number is this. In this invoice number is this. In this invoice number is this. Nothing but 8-digit numbers. I want to fetch invoice numbers from this line. Invoice number this is the invoice number, and this is the invoice number. Which function I will use?
Left, middle, right.
Left.
Yeah, left, mid, right also we can use. Like in this, we can use left function, nothing but left of this 8 characters, because I and V 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 characters. In this, I can use mid function. Okay, in this, I can use right function. But what about if I have like some invoice number in middle, or after third, or after fourth character, or not in the beginning, not in the end, like this? In that case, I cannot, like line by line, I cannot apply. See, if you have these kind of scenarios in real-time projects, do you think that line by line you will apply? Okay, this function left side, I will apply left function. Okay, here it is in middle, I'll apply mid function. Here it is in right hand side, I'll apply right function. Then again next line. Next line, let's suppose showing in mid, then again I'll apply mid function. Do you think like that?
No.
It will take time. You're correct only. Yes, we can apply left, mid, right function. That's okay. We can apply, but it will take time. Instead of that, what we can do is simply we can apply single function that is called mid function. We can apply which function? Mid.
In function.
Mid function directly I can apply. But for mid function, I need to understand, because when I write a mid function, look at the syntax. It is showing me text, okay? Then it is showing me start number, then number character. Start number I need to know. In this case, if I say text is this, and if I say start number nothing but 1, because I and we start with 1. The number character I want 8 characters, because I and V 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This invoice number, how many characters? 8 characters, right?
8
That's what I
characters.
done. Then again here I'll apply mid function. In text is this, comma. Start number is, then again I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Starting with 11 number. Because I is starting with 11, right? Then again 8. But I cannot count one by one these all the things. What is the common thing, by the way, in all these invoice number? What is the common?
INV.
INV. Yes. What I will do is I will start find INV. Find INV, comma, in this text. 1, 11, 35. This is what I initially I used, number 1, 11, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Now this is my start number. This is my start number. Then what I will do, I will apply here itself left function. Not left function, mid function. Mid of text. Text is this, comma. Now start number, nothing but this is start number. If I select this formula, can you see start number? Result is what?
1.
1. Start number is completed. Put a comma there. Number character. How many
8.
character I want? 8. Right. Parenthesis. Now drag it down. This is one kind of scenario where you can use. Okay. Next one is this exercise. Tell me, I have some text like this, some Outlook content copied. How can I remove the unnecessary spaces?
Trim.
Proper and trim.
It's already proper or
Clean function we can do.
trim function. If I use trim function, trim of this, what happened? Is it getting removed?
No, clean
No.
function we have to use to remove unnecessary space. Clean function.
Clean function, if I try clean function also, clean function will be removing the non-printable characters. Let me take this one also. Okay, let's try with this clean function also. Is it working?
No.
Then trim not working, clean not working. Then what is the issue with this?
So justified text, I guess.
Okay. I will tell you one thing, whatever spaces you see here, right? I'll tell you. Let me put a space here. Do you see any space here? No, right? If I put a space, it ends. I just give a space here. I want to know that, okay, which character I have written in this cell. And what is the code for that? Code. What is the code for that? What is the code for this?
32.
32. What is 32?
The space character.
ASCII numbers. ASCII numbers.
32 is the space.
ASCII number.
Yeah, ASCII number only, but space. This 32 is a space. Okay. If I copy, let's suppose if I copy this space, can is this space Microsoft and Excel?
Mhm.
If I copy this, Control C, I'm just copying the space. Control C, let me put it here. Control V, enter. Let me check it. What is the code for this?
32.
32. Okay, we are good. Now let me copy this one space from here. Control C. Okay. And let me paste it here. Here. Enter. Now let me check code for this. What is the code for this?
60.
It means this is not a normal space. This is not a space. This is called your non-breaking space. Non-breaking space.
Non-break. Okay.
If you are not able to remove the unnecessary spaces with the help of trim function, clean function, it means that is not a 32. That is a 160. 32 is what? Space.
Space.
160 is what?
Non-breaking space.
Breaking space. Now you tell me, if I want to substitute 160 with 32, which function I will apply? Replace or substitute, right?
Substitute.
Can I say substitute of text? My text is this, comma, what is all text?
Non-breakable space.
All text is this. And how can I write this non-breaking space? Can I write like this? Char of 160. Is it okay?
Code. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Character. Okay.
Char of, if I write char of 65, result will be A, right?
Yeah.
If I write char of 66, result will be B, right?
Yes.
Same thing I'm writing here, char of 160. Old text is this. New text is what? Char of
32.
32. Replace with this. Close parenthesis. Now done. Now we have replaced 160 with 32. And now what I will do? If it is now replaced with 32 spaces, then space I can remove, right? With the help of which function?
Trim.
Trim function. Go there. One more parenthesis. Job is done. Can you see now? Space is removed.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is one kind of rarely will get these kind of example scenarios, but in case if you receive it, then you can replace 160 with char first with the help of substitute function. Then you can apply trim function. Good, all set. Okay, done. Date and time function. Yesterday we were left with 3-4 formulas there. E-date, EO month. What is E-date, EO month? E-date. If I say E-date, guys, whenever you write any function, okay, before applying parenthesis, it will tell you what is the formula is all about. Returns the serial number of the date, that is the indicated number of months before or after the start date. Number of months before or after the start date. Example here is E-date. How many arguments?
2.
2. Start date and months. If I take this start date is this, comma, I'm putting 1. 1 month ahead. If it is July 20th, 2023, next month will be after this
August.
8/20, right? Result is 8/20. If I say 2 months ahead, result will be 9/20. The question is, can we go back? Yes, we can go back. -1. Result will be
June 20.
June 6. Same thing with this EO month, end of month. Tell me, January last days,
31st Jan.
last 31st. June last day,
30th June.
September.
30th.
30th.
April.
31st. 31st.
30th, sir.
30th.
30.
दादी की बात याद करो, दादी बोलती थी अपने को Jan, Feb, March, on fingers we used to count it, right?
Yeah.
I still remember that technique. कभी कभी बड़े बोलते वो अच्छा ही बोलते. I still remember. I miss my dadi.
Oh.
She used to tell me, okay, this is January, this is Feb, this is March, this is April. What is coming up? That is 31st. Down means 30th, right? This is what we used to do, right? Same thing I still remember. Okay. So EO month, nothing but end of month. End of month, let's suppose I want to know EO month. EO month of started nothing but this. This is which month?
June. July.
July.
And for July month, nothing but 0 only. Now July month, last day will be?
31st July.
That will be 31st. It doesn't matter about 20th or whatever date it is. Forget it. EO month will give you the particular month's last date. If I'm changing this to, let's suppose 2, still it will be giving me 31st July. Okay, this one. Clear? Now, if I want to know EO month, this is the date, and comma, I'm applying 1 month ahead. The date is this. Date is this. Nothing but month is 7. After 1 month ahead, the month will become
August.
August. And August में कितना रहता है? Days?
30.
31st, right?
31.
31st.
31st. It will be 31st. I can go back to 2 months back, 1 month back, 3 months back also. Let's suppose -2. If it is July, June, and then May. May how many days?
31.
31st. 31st is there. Generally, we use this EO month when you are working in month and close process, because month and close process, every time we are giving last day of the month, 31st Jan, 28th Feb, 31st March, April 30th, May 31st, right? The date we are taking, and then we are giving balances as of 31st Jan, as of 28th February, balance as of 31st March, right? That time we are using EO month function. EO month, end of month. Any question?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
I really appreciate that you guys are joining regularly, because all these functions are very, very important. After that, we look up, HLOOKUP, index match, offset match, then pivot tables, all are very, very important. And mostly in your interview, these kind of questions will be asked. So do not miss any class. Okay, good. Now next, weekday, week number. Weekday, week number. What is weekday, week number? Weekday. If I talk about today, today is which week number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not calculate from Monday onwards. If you are taking from Monday, okay, today is Wednesday, it is 3rd day. No, as per the calendar, today is which day, which week number? Sorry, which weekday? 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4th. If we talk about today's date, shortcut key for today's date is control.
Semicolon.
Yes. Weekday. Serial number is this. Okay. Now you see which date is 4th. If I want to know, let's suppose 16th of March is 7th. 16th of March. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th day. If I talk about week number, how many weeks we have in a year?
52.
52. let's suppose I want to know that what is the week number for this date. 16th March, which week number of the year? Let me change this into general. Number is 11. Why 11? You can count it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6th, 10th Feb, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9th of March, 10th, 11, 11, this one, 16th, right? 11th week number 11. We change this to, let's suppose, 16th Jan, week number is 3rd. 16th Jan, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 16th Jan, 3rd week, right? 1 week, 2nd week, 3rd week. Clear? Weekday, week number? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Let's suppose someone is writing date like this, 31st December 2018. And by the way, it's into which format? Text format, right? I want to take a date, nothing but I want to change date to date value. Date value. I will use date value function, date value. It converts a date in the form of text to a number that represents the date in Microsoft Excel date time code. Date value of this. See the result? 31st December. Date value. I've changed this date from date value to this. Okay. I want to take date like this. From these 3 dates, I want to take a date like this. What difference do you see here? In this date and this date, these 2 dates. Just check this one and this one.
Dot and slash.
Dot and slash, correct. If you're thinking that, yes, I can do this, substitute text is this, comma, old text is dot, comma, new text is slash. Yes, it will be done, but
Yes.
not into date
Date
format.
format.
Now, if you're thinking that, okay, I will change this into date value, date text, this, it won't change. Now, how can I do that? Might be you are just thinking that, let me fetch, day, month, and year from this date. I can fetch it, right? Day, if I want to fetch day, left function, left of this, comma, number character 2. Month, I want to fetch, which function I will use? Function. Text is this, comma, start number 4, right? Here I want to fetch which function? Right function, text is this, comma, 4. And then I can create a date of this, date, year is this, comma, month is this, comma, day is this. Done. Now I can drag these formulas down. Yeah.
Yes.
Don't we have any short way to do that?
No, actually, this is the way we can do it. Because if you will change this dot with slash, again, it will be considering as a text only, not a date.
Okay.
Sir, can we use that Control+1 shortcut key where we can change the date formats?
No, it won't be changed.
Customizing.
I told you that if I'm writing date like this, do you think that is it a date in my system? Tell me. Is it a date?
No,
No.
31st December.
Not a date, because see the alignment of this date, which side? Left side.
So
And 31st cannot be a month as per my system format date.
Yes. Okay.
Logicals.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Logicals. How many logical comparison operator are there? There are 6 comparison operators. How many?
6.
Less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to. Okay. These first 4 we can use with numbers only, and these 2 we can use with all data types. I cannot say that Ram is greater than Sham. Sham is less than Ram. I cannot write like that, right? Because that is text. But I can say that 10 is less than 20. Yes. Number. 10 is number, right? I can use 10 is less than 20. Yes. But I cannot write Ram is less than Sham. Can you write? No, right? So text cannot be used with these comparison operators. But these things we can use. I can use, let's suppose if I'm writing here Ram, here also I'm writing Ram. I can say that, okay, Ram is equal to Ram. Let's suppose ABC, ABC, ABC. I can use, yeah, true only. But I cannot write like this, okay? This cell is less than this cell. We cannot, it does not make any sense, right? Ram is less than Sham. No, it is not like that. So, first 4 is your comparison operator where you can use with numbers only. Next 2 comparison operator you can use with all data types. Now, if I write here, if I write 10 is less than 20, result is true, right?
True.
10 is greater than 5, true.
No.
10 is not equal to 10.
False.
10 is equal to 10.
No.
Yeah. Same thing here. Same thing here. I want to take it as a, my condition is this. Cutoff is greater than equal to 40 marks. Let's suppose you are going to write one exam. Out of 100 marks, you need to get minimum 40 marks. If you are getting 39, you are fail. If you are getting greater than or equal to 40, then you are pass. Okay, this is the condition. So there are students, these are students, and marks, these are the marks. Okay, and we need to write a function. Now tell me in simple English. I'm not asking about the function. Tell me, if this is the condition, how will you convey the message to the students?
Pass.
This is the condition. That's it. Tell me in simple English.
If 40 or greater than 40, you pass.
Okay.
If less than 40, you fail.
Yeah. What else? How can we just reframe the sentence? Whatever you are telling, that's correct only, but we have to reframe it, the sentence. Little bit. We have to reframe.
40 and above pass. 40 below fail.
Okay. Still, I'm looking for one word that is missing in this sentence. Yeah. Continue.
Marks.
Great, sir.
No, not great. The result should be pass fail only, but let's reframe the sentence. You are correct only. You're correct. 90% you are telling me right only, but I'm missing that one word there in that one.
Marks.
Simple English. With which word you will start the sentence if you're telling this to students?
Pass or fail.
If,
Directly
sir.
pass.
If
Huh? Exactly. If, right?
Okay.
If you tell them that if you are getting greater than equal to 40 marks, then pass, else
fail.
yes. Exactly. This is what I'm going to write now. If you are getting greater than equal to 40 marks, then pass, else fail, or otherwise fail. Correct. Let's start with if condition. If. Logical test. Tell me how many arguments?
3.
3. 3.
Mandatory.
1.
1.
Okay, 2 are optional, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Logical test. Logical test is this. If this number, B14 number, if whatever number is written in B14 cell, which number it is?
71.
71. If 71 is greater than equal to 40. After this, what is there in syntax? Comma, right?
Come on.
Put a comma. Value of true. If this condition is true, what you want to write?
Pass.
Pass. I would write pass. Value of false. If this condition is not true, then what you want to write?
False.
Fail.
False. Fail.
Fail. Pass. Now tell me, 85 pass or fail?
Pass.
Pass.
73.
Pass.
Fail.
Fail. Fail.
Pass.
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 Fail.
Fail.
Fail. Pass.
ये क्यों आ गया? Distinction लग गया क्या इसको? Okay, fail. Then
Pass. Pass.
how many of you are telling me pass, or how many of you that fail? Tell me here. 40.
It is pass, sir,
Pass.
because
Pass.
equal to.
40 considered.
Or equal to is given.
Greater than equal. Equality is there.
Exactly. If equal to is not there, then in that case,
It's
Fail.
fail.
exactly yes. Equal to
Fail.
Fail.
yes. I can also do the same thing, not only one by one. I can also do it in go. But in order to check your knowledge, I just want to doing that. Simply just double click on it. Job is done. Okay. Are we clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
सही बोलना है, गलत मत बोलना, फिर आगे तुम फंस जाओगे आगे. Again, I'll ask questions. If you're not clear,
Sure, sir.
tell me now only. If you're not clear, tell me now only. फिर टेलिंग हाँ हाँ दूसरे वाले पड़ोसी बोल रहे हैं ना, हाँ बोल दो, अपने भी हाँ बोल देंगे. ऐसा नहीं, तुम खुद फंस जाते फिर. ओके, आर वी श्योर?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you tell me how many output type is there? Tell me in this range.
2.
Two type. One is
Pass and fail.
second is fail. Agree?
Yes.
Everyone agree on this?
Yes.
Agree, sir.
Now tell me in this range how many output type?
4.
4.
4 output type. Right. 4 output type is there, and here 2 output type is there. Now, whenever you see output type, if they are more than 2 types, if they are more than 2 types, then that will be your nested if. That will be your
Nested if.
nested if condition. Nested if, it's not kind of like, it's not like a function nested if. No, it's not a function name. Okay, it's not a function name. We're calling it as nested if because we are using, or we are going to use more than 2 times if condition. More than 2 times if condition. Because why 2 more than 2 times? Because output how many times? Sorry, how many types output?
4
4.
times.
So nested if no, nested if points. First point is, read it for me.
Number of outputs should be more than 2.
Is it true? More than 2 only? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Second point.
Number of if function equal to outputs count minus 1.
Exactly. So in this nested if, how many times we will use if condition is how many output here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 minus 1. 3 times we will use if condition. Output count minus 1. Output count 4. 4 minus 1. 3 times we will use if condition. Next one.
Write the formula using as or discordant.
Right.
Ascending or descending.
Ascending or
Ascending,
descending.
descending order. Yes, very, very important, right? So if I'm using this way, tell me, is it ascending or descending order?
Ascending.
Ascending order.
Ascending order.
If I'm writing from bottom to top, that will be descending order.
Descending order.
Now you see, let me remove this. Here I want to use. Tell me, shall I use nested if? Like, do you see any formula nested if?
No.
Few people they are thinking, okay, nested if means formula name. No, it's not a formula. It's a definition of nested if is if output is more than 2 times, then it will be called as a nested if. Okay, now I'll start with if only again. If logical test 1, nothing but this. If this number is tell me, by looking at this condition, can I say
B
this
grade.
number less than
B
35?
grade.
Can I say this number is less than 35?
Yes.
I'm saying less than 35. I'm not saying less than equal to. No. I'm saying less than 35. Less than 35 means up to 34. Yes or no?
34, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Value if false. Sorry, value if true. Sorry, value if true. What do you want to write if this is true? What you will write?
False.
Fail, fail.
Okay.
Fail,
Less
na?
than 35. Less than 35 is fine.
Yes, comma. Value if false. Again, I'll apply if condition. If again this number is less than equal to 60 this time. Less than equal to 60. Then value if true, what do you want to write? Which
B
grade?
grade.
C grade. Comma. Again, one more time if condition. If logical test 1, this number is less than
Put
equal to
80.
value if true, what do you want to write?
B grade.
B grade.
B grade. Now, how many times I applied if condition? Count it please
3.
for me.
3.
And output is how many types output? 4 types, right?
4 times.
4 times.
4 minus 1, 3 times I applied, right?
Right.
Now you see in the last argument is this. If this number is less than equal to 80, then B grade else A grade. Remember this. This is the important point. I applied 3 times if condition, okay, and then else A grade. Now this color closed parenthesis. Red color not closed, right?
No.
Can you see this red color
Right.
parenthesis? Not
Right.
closed, right? I'll put red color. Okay, done. Now last one is black one, right?
Yeah.
Close it. Red is purple closed, red closed, black closed. Done. Okay, done. Now tell me 85, which grade?
A.
A
A
grade.
grade.
73,
B grade.
35,
C grade.
C.
83,
A grade.
B grade.
64,
B
B.
grade.
B.
B.
22,
Fail.
Fail.
57,
C grade.
B grade.
C.
7,
C.
C grade.
21,
Fail. Fail.
Fail.
Fail.
I can do it single click also. double click, sorry, not single click. Now I have applied ascending order. Can you see ascending order 35, 60, 80? Now you have to apply descending order. For your practice, you have to apply descending order. How will you apply this? If this number is greater than equal to 81, then A grade, comma, if this number is greater than equal to 61, then
61.
B grade,
B3.
comma, if this number is greater
Greater
than
than or equal to
35,
35.
C grade, else
Fail.
that you have to write it. See here, complex formula, incorrect formula. You can just check in here. Complex formula, how we are getting it, complex is like if and then B. You get confused, right? So then just no, don't look at those two. Only whatever explained, that is correct one. Okay, now next. Cutoff is 40. And output type, how many?
2.
Okay, so output type wise, we see that it's 2 only because failure pass, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, just listen carefully, okay? The logic will be here only. Output type, how many? 2 types, right? Pass and fail.
Yes, sir.
But how many subjects I used to have here, subject wise? In my
3.
previous example. No, previous examples. Here,
1.
one subject, one subject. But if you look at here, how many subjects I have?
3, sir.
subject.
Subject wise 3, output wise
2.
fail or pass. Now, what you need to do is you need to get minimum 40 marks in each subject. Minimum
40 marks.
40 marks in each subject. If you are getting 99 in subject 1, 99, 95 in subject 2, if you are getting, let's suppose 39 in subject 3, fail. Example here. Subject 1, 100. Subject 2, 21. Subject 3, 85. Result is fail. Why fail?
21.
21. 20, 40. Here only fail because
20.
less than 40. Pass. It is fail because here it is 26.
26.
It means what is the condition there? In each subject, you have to get
Minimum
40.
40.
In that case, what operator we will use? Logical operator. The logical operator will be AND. Which operator?
And
You might have
AND.
studied in your statics previously that there are 2 types of logical operator, 3 types of logical operator, AND or not, AND or and then not. So condition here. In AND condition, every condition should be true. Every condition should be satisfied. Then only pass, otherwise fail. Yeah. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false. Result will be
False.
false, true,
False.
false.
only. True,
True.
True.
true. False, false.
False.
Or condition. In or condition,
One.
minimum 1 condition should be true. Minimum
1.
1 condition should be true. Example. Let's suppose in 12th examinations, you have 6 subjects. And for 6 subjects, which operator we will use? AND operator. Because each subject you have to clear the exam. But for practical, let's suppose there are 2 practical and they have told you that out of 2 practicals, you have to get minimum 20 marks in either one of the practical. You got it? In practical, you have to get minimum 20 marks in either one of the practical. Either one of the practical. then pass. Subject wise, all subject has to be clear. In that case, subject wise, we will use and operator. For practical, we will use or operator, because you have to clear either one of the practical. Now here, in or operator, minimum one condition should be true. It will be true only, right?
Yeah.
False, true?
True.
True, true, true?
True.
False, false?
False.
False. Now let's try this. Let me delete this. Okay, by the way, one question for you guys. Let me write it here. I am going to write fail, pass. Let me give color to this. Fill color, let's suppose red, and pass, I'm giving color to this green. Done. If I'm deleting from here, everything is getting deleted. I'm simply selecting it and hitting delete key from my keyboard, delete key, delete. If I select this one and if I hit delete key, what happened? Only values are getting deleted, but not the formatting. Why?
In the formula,
Hmm?
in the formula, have we give any condition?
Who was that? Sai or
Sai.
Pankaj? Sai. Okay. You're close to the answer. Yep. Anyone else?
We have applied the formula, sir. In this, we have done manually.
Which formula?
If is equal to if.
No, not like that. Okay, tell me, how can I check that whether the cell has conditional formatting or not? How can I check it?
If you click on
This,
it,
this cell, tell me. L16. Do I have a conditional formatting to this cell? How can I check it?
go to conditional format.
Okay.
Clear rules, manage rules.
Manage rules. Can you see any rule here?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, let me check here in these three cells. Do you see any rule here?
Applied.
Let me
Yes.
check this range. Can you see any rule here?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
That is the answer. Sai mentioned that some condition formatting is applied there. Yes, these cells have conditional formatting. If I will write it here, let's suppose fail, result will be red. If I write it manually true, result will be 1 minute. So not true. Sorry, pass.
Pass.
Pass. Yeah. This is what I applied there. But here, no conditional formatting. That's what. If nothing is there in the cell, then what happened? Blank only, no colors. Because what is the conditional formatting? If the cell value is fail,
Pass
give me
or
this color. Cell value is pass, give me this color. If nothing is there, then nothing will happen, right? That's what's there, right? If I want to delete everything from this cell, then I can choose directly clear all. Done. Now I'll apply here. How many subjects are there?
3.
Three subjects. What I'll do, I'll apply and operator. Which operator?
And
And operator here. Okay. Because three subjects are there, I'll use and operator. Before and, I will use if condition as usual. If and operator. And logical one, this number is greater than equal to 40. Comma. This number greater than equal to 40. Comma. This number
Greater
than equal to 40. Close parenthesis. Now this close parenthesis for what?
and
And after this, what is asking to me? Put a comma there. Now where is my cursor?
Value if true.
Value true.
Its value if true is getting highlighted, getting bold, right? Now I am on to this. This is how I can understand that, okay, in the syntax, where is my cursor? Now my cursor, it is on value if true. Value of true argument, right? Value of true. Now value, what you want to write if value is true?
Pass.
Pass.
Now where is my cursor?
Value false.
Value false.
I want to write.
Fail.
Fail.
It's not like that every time you have to write phase, fal, phase, whatever you want to write, you can write it. Clear, not clear, whatever you want to, you can write.
Okay.
Now, this parenthesis is closed. This parenthesis red is closed, closed. Black is
Black.
closed. Do I need to enter any more parentheses? See, how many open parentheses?
Two.
2.
2.
One is closed, second is closed. Now, no need to enter anything, right?
No.
No, sir.
Fail. Now tell me, this is pass or fail?
Fail.
Fail.
Next one.
Pass.
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 Fail.
Fail.
Pass.
Pass.
Fail.
Fail. Fail.
Fail.
Fail.
Why this is fail?
21.
21.
But 57, 88 pass, na? Then why fail?
We give a condition if something is less than 40.
Yes.
Every condition should be true. Nothing but 3 subjects. Every subject has to pass, right? Fail. Correct. Then
Pass.
Pass.
why pass? 40 is there, na?
40. Yes, sir.
40.
Equal to.
Equal to.
I gave equal to there, right? That's what. Here,
Pass.
Pass.
Fail.
Fail.
now here the example. In this case, 3 subjects and 2 practicals. Subject wise, I will not write the function. Subject wise, already I have explained you for 3 subjects. Same example, same 3 subjects. Subject wise, you need to check whether pass or fail. That you will write it. I will not write it again one more time. Practical wise, you tell me, how can I write the function? Practical. Practical wise, only you need to focus on these 2 columns. Practical 1, practical 2. Tell me which function, how will I apply? If condition,
If.
right? If and here I will apply or operator. Not and or.
Okay.
Either one of the, because see here, what is the result? What is the condition here? Each subject 40, any practical 20. Means here any practical means or. Each subject and operator. You have to clear each and every subject. In that case, you have to apply and operator. And you have to get 20 marks in either one of the practicals. And it will be or operator. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, not clear? Clear, right? Now practical wise, practical one this, I will say if this number is greater than equal to 20, comma, practical 2. If this number is greater than equal to 20, close parenthesis, value of true means pass. Otherwise, value false, then result will be fail. Just focus on these 2 practical subjects, not about this one. Hide it. Okay, let me also hide this one. Now, tell me this one fail or pass?
Fail. Sorry. Pass.
Pass. This one?
Fail.
Now I'll take a name and I'll ask. Tell me, Mrityunjay, fail or pass? This one?
Pass, sir.
Pass.
Pass.
Okay, tell me this. Name 5. Lakshmi, Savita.
Pass, sir.
Okay, Yukti,
Pass, sir.
Pankaj. पंकज उदास हो दुनिया में इधर नीचे
हाँ सर पास
टेल मी नेम 8 नेम 8 will come सागर टेल मी
Pass, sir. Pass.
Okay, name 9, 134. Tell me.
Oh,
Bhargav, tell me.
fail, sir.
Why fail?
Because here one is mentioned, no, sir.
So what is that? Then in that case, then why it is pass? Which operator I use?
If or.
I told so many times, or means either one condition should be satisfied, one condition getting satisfied or not.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sorry.
pass or fail.
Pass, sir.
Tell me this. Bhargav, tell me this.
Pass, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let me unhide the subject wise. Now, subject wise, I will not use the function. You have to write it. That is nothing but if and operator. If with and. If subject wise fail, practical wise pass. Result will be
Fail.
fail only. Pass,
Pass.
fail,
Fail.
fail, pass.
Fail.
So this is nothing but combined function I use. Nothing but I combined this function, Control C, and then this function. Same function I applied. First I apply if with and with subject, and then I apply or with practical. This one. Is it clear? Try with this today. If you are not able to do it, check this formula here. If you are not able to do it, then tomorrow we can try it. Subject wise function is already there, practical wise already there. I just need to combine this. Nothing but if with and is closed here. Then again or is here. Do not apply if or no. Only if is already there, right? And is there and or is here. That's it. And last me pass and fail. That's it.
Sir, instead of comma, we have to use and operator, na, because it is true, right?
Where? Which comma?
In between two formulas, we are given comma, na, comma, 40, comma, or.
T comma R means like
Middle. Here. Here.
Yeah.
So instead of comma, we have to write an operator, na, sir?
No. And operator, see, for subject wise, these are the subjects with and. With
Okay.
And these are the practicals or with or. It will be reading like this: or with practicals and with subjects.
We have
And
to
in
combine
past-
with comma, right?
Yes, combined with comma only. It will be comma only.
Okay.
Try with this, guys. Same thing, whatever I explained, first try with subject wise, practical wise, and combined. Okay, you need to do like this only. Okay, next. Let's check your logical thinkings today. Tell me about this. Actual sale is this. Target was this. Actual sale is in column B. Target was in column C. Tell me, name one achieved target or not?
Not met.
Target was 57.
Not met.
Not met. Name two, met, not met.
Met.
Why met?
97 is the sales, but his
Exactly.
target is 52. He did
Target
more
was,
than his target.
yes, target was 52 and he sold 97 quantity. Yes, tell me about this person. Met, not met.
Not met.
Not met.
Met.
His target was 62 and he sold 57 quantity only, not met. Tell me about this person.
Met.
Met.
Now tell me, I want to fetch that not met and met here. Result. how should I write the function?
If
Okay, if
actual sale
actual sale, excellent, yeah. If actual sale,
is
Comma.
come on, yes, you can do it.
greater than or equal to
Exactly. If
Greater
actual
than
sale
or
is greater
equal
than
to
equal to,
target
target.
excellent,
met
comma. Well, if true,
True.
met
Met.
well, if false,
not met.
Not
Not
met.
Met.
excellent. Tell me, met, not met, this one.
Met.
Met.
Not met. Met.
Met.
met.
Met.
Not met.
Not
Not met.
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 Not met.
Last one is not met.
Done?
Yes.
Clear on this?
Mm.
Tell me about this. Result should be in column B, cost wise. Okay. And the example is like this. Let's suppose you have some family function at your home and you have gone to any vegetable market. Raitu Bazaar, right? Raitu Bazaar ही बोलते हैं ना तेलुगु में?
Yes, sir.
Raitu Bazaar. हम बोलते हैं सब्जी मार्केट. सब्जी
Mandi
बाजार.
market.
मंडी मार्केट, हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So big function is there and you want to buy, let's suppose 30 kg potato. This is 30 kg, okay. You have gone to the market and because generally it's a human tendency that yes, if you are going to buy something in bulk, then definitely we will have some bargaining with the seller. Happens with everyone?
Yes.
Yep. Same thing happens here also. You went to the market and you asked the person that I want to buy potato. Then he's asking you contra question, how many kgs you want to buy? Then you first asking that, okay, you tell me first your rate. Then he's telling you that condition applied. What is the condition? Condition is this. If you are going to buy less than 10 kg, I'll apply 5 rupee rate. Okay. If you are going to buy more than 5 kg, nothing but 6, 7, 8, whatever it is, but greater than equal to minimum 5 kg. If you are going to buy minimum 5 kg, I apply which rate?
8
8
rupees
8 rupee per kg.
per kg.
Now, if I'm going to buy 9 kg, tell me the rate will be
8 rupees.
8 rupees.
Per kg.
Sorry.
8
if I'm
rupees.
going to buy 9 kg potato, then tell me the rate will be
8.
9 into 8. Means total how much I need to pay? 72.
Nine.
No.
72.
72.
If I'm going to buy 7 kg, rate will be 7
8
into 8. 56 rupees, right? 7 into 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm going to buy 2 kg, rate will
10
be
rupees. 20
20
rupees.
rupees.
20. If I'm going to buy 3 kg, rate will be
30
30
rupees.
rupees.
yes, that I want here. Tell me, how should I write the function?
If
If quantity is
Yes, great, okay.
greater than or equal to
greater than or
Greater
equal
than or
Equal
equal to 5.
5,
5.
Then comma, okay.
Less.
Rate
Means
Hmm?
greater.
Correct. So far you are correct only. Now you're getting stuck with your output. If the quantity is greater than equal to 5, yes, then what you want to do?
8 rupees.
rate is 8.
Then if it is true, then multiply this number, multiply with
8 rupees.
8.
8. I can write manually 8. Okay. Or I can also take this because I need to freeze it. If I'm taking like this, then it has to be freeze.
Yes.
Because if I drag it down, then it will become C81, then C82. No. If you are taking like this reference style, then it has to be freeze. Got it? If
Yeah.
you're not if you do not want to take reference style, then if I take it manually, then I'll put manually it. Okay. Value if false, then again, if this is less than this, then multiply this number with 10.
10.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Close parenthesis 48. It will be
10 rupees.
10 rupees here.
72.
56.
56.
20.
20.
30.
Okay.
Got it? Question on this formula?
Yes.
Okay, let me try with the reference style. Now you guys will tell me. Okay. Then multiply this with 8. Tell me how I can phrase it.
F4 key.
F4 key done. And why we are phrasing it? By any chance, any idea?
Not to change the reference of the column.
Okay, what if I'll not freeze? Let's try with this first. What if I not freeze this? Okay, done this. Multiply by this. I'm not going to freeze it. Drag it down.
Values are getting changed.
Values are not.
See, if you're checking this function, perfect. Purple color, red color, perfect. If you're checking this, can you see the purple, red color getting down?
No.
Here it is. Here, right? That's what I explained to that. If you want to freeze this, I have to freeze this C80. That is called your which reference style? This is which reference style? Tell me.
Yes.
Both the side dollar symbol. Which reference style it is?
Column freeze, row freeze.
Relative, absolute, or mixed reference?
Relate.
Guys, relative में तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है ना.
Yes, sir.
It's absolute.
Absolutely, yes.
This is also called as absolute. Done. Drag it down. Working fine. Now let's go back to one more example here. Example is this. Nested if. How many times I applied if condition? Output -1. Nothing but 3 times I applied here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now what I'm saying here is you applied 3 times if condition because nested if there, and nested if works like output -1. 3 times I applied if condition. If, and if. What if I apply single time if only? What is the plural of if? Sorry, what is the plural of if? IFS. What is that?
IFS.
IFS. And IFS function is available from 2016 Excel onwards. 2013 10 7 IFS will not be available. It will be available from 2016 Excel version onwards. Okay, how it works, I'll tell you how it works. I need to write only one time if IFS. If now no need to write. Now no need to write if and if again and again. Logical test 1, comma, value if true, dot, dot, dot. Tell me, limited, unlimited.
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 Limited.
Logical test 1, nothing but this number. This number is less than 35. Result should be?
Okay.
I'll not write it. This time I'll select it. Is it okay? Because I'm not going to drag it down and drag it right hand side. If
Yeah.
you are not going to drag it left, right, down, then no need to freeze it. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Comma. Logical test 2. Again, this number is less than equal to 60. The
Okay.
result should be C grade. Select it. Comma. This number is less than equal to 80. Result should be B grade.
Else, like,
No. That's what I'm telling. Here, it is not like nested F output -1. No. If you are going to write IFS, then you have to explain each and every argument. Mandatory. Yes. Comma. This number is,
greater than 81.
tell me,
Greater than 81.
equal to 80. 81 above, na?
Okay. A grade.
Comma. Then A grade. Close parenthesis. How many times I open parenthesis? How many times open?
One time.
One time close. That's it. Same thing you can apply here. Here, this is nested if. You can apply IFS also. So this will be your practice for today. You need to apply IFS condition with this data set. Okay. You need to apply this condition. Okay. Okay. IFS condition you can apply here. Same result will be there. That you need to try. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Try it today. Okay, next one is this. The last exercise. Rating grade experience department eligible for bonus, and these are the conditions. If rating is greater than 2 or grade is greater than 4 or IT and experience IT, if Banda is from IT department and his experience is greater than 5 years, then eligible for bonus. Nothing but how many conditions here? Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. And out of these 3 conditions, condition 1 is this, condition 2, condition 3. Out of these 3, either one of them is true, then eligible for bonus, otherwise not eligible. That's what I applied over here. What I applied here?
Or
Now, if I delete it, tell me this line. Employee 1, eligible for bonus or not eligible?
not eligible.
Take the first condition. Rating is greater than 2? No.
Yes. No.
No. Why
No.
yes? No. Grade greater than 4?
No.
Experience. Now यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे दो
Greater
condition,
than-
Yes.
दोनों condition true होना है, दोनों condition true. If experience greater than 5, yes.
Yes.
From IT,
IT.
yes. It
Yes.
means true, right?
Eligible for bonus.
This is getting true. Eligible for bonus. Now, tell me about this. Eligible for bonus or not eligible?
No.
Why no?
Department.
Rating is less than 2. Grade is less than 2.
Less-
Grade is less than 4.
Hmm.
And experience
less
is
than
12
5
years, but
years
he is not
only,
from IT.
but not from IT.
Department sales.
Exactly. So in this case, what I will do, if or condition, if, right? If or this number, if this number is greater than 2, comma, this number is greater than 4, correct?
Yes.
So I applied or here, done. Comma, sorry, 1 minute, comma, and operator. Why and operator?
IT.
Because these two, experience department, for this I will apply and operator. This both should be true. And experience is greater than 5,
5.
comma, department is should be equal to,
IT.
is it okay to write like it like this? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Why okay?
No, no, no,
Double
no.
quotes we have.
Double quote.
In string.
Double quote, close. No close parenthesis. Put a
Again.
comma. 1 minute. This is closed, right? If this is closed, comma, again it's going to, okay, one more parenthesis, done. Now this bracket close for and, this bracket close for OR operator, comma. Okay, 1 minute, comma. Value if true, what do you want to write?
Eligible.
Eligible, otherwise,
Not eligible.
put a comma there. Parenthesis. Tell me, eligible, not eligible. I'll take one by one names, okay, this time. 1 minute. Pankaj, tell me.
If rating 2 means false, okay, grade for false. If IT experience 10, eligible, sir.
Exactly. Yes. Next, Sai.
Eligible.
Why eligible? Explain it, please.
Rating is 5.
Exactly. Here only it's getting true. Eligible. Yes. Next, Bhargav.
Rating is less than 2 and grade is less than 4, 1. And experience is not eligible, sir.
Not eligible. Right. Savita.
Sir, eligible, sir, because the rating is 5.
Exactly. Here
All
only the,
conditions.
Yeah.
you're lucky that first instance only got the result. Lucky. Okay. Next, Mrityunjay.
Not eligible, sir.
Not eligible. Okay. Next, employee 7 Yukti.
Eligible, sir.
Why eligible?
Because rating less than 2.
No, your result is output is okay only, but your explanation is not correct. Check once.
Rating,
Rating is greater than 2? No. Grade
no,
is
less than.
greater than. Guys, are you confused with these two symbols?
No.
This is called?
Greater than.
This is called?
Less than.
Then what is there? Read it. Rating greater than 2? No. Grade greater than 4? Yes. Getting true only, right? Here only getting true, then true only. Eligible, right? Okay, guys. That's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to discuss about information functions. Okay. Please practice on each and every practice on logicals. Very, very important. Because logicals are the ones wherein it will be useful in your real-time process.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Okay. Thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.